the sign. New York, New York. Raiders. Take a slow pan across. Yeah, pretty sweet, huh? You should smell what I'm smelling. I like all the cool wear. Reese's. Here's the chocolate bar. I think they have some kind of flight that you can get. There's craps. See, the dice do actually roll, and they're not loaded. There's their betting. Their sports book is tiny. Greenwich area and bike lane. Yeah, so right now we're in the Excalibur, and we're about to head to New York, New York. We're gonna take this little, so they bring you in okay. They bring you in okay, but they say, well, if you're gonna leave, you're gonna have to go on your own power. And we're heading over to New York, New York. Welcome to the great outdoors of Las Vegas. Over there's New York, New York. And the tram picks up or starts over there. We're gonna take this little bridge. The Excalibur. Across the street's MGM. There's Lady Liberty, the MGM lion. In the corner. We're coming up on New York. New York, New York. Here's where you go down and walk. We're going to continue over to New York, New York. Across the street, you can see there's a lot of work being done to bring the Las Vegas athletics to Las Vegas. So they're tearing down the old Tropicana. Over there, you can see the Tropicana sign. But yeah, life changes in Las Vegas. I remember when New York, New York wasn't even here. New York, New York. Welcome, New York, New York. Las Vegas Hotel and Casino. This is coming over from Excalibur. Here you've got Nathan's Hot Dogs. See the sign? New York, New York. You got Nathan's Hot Dogs, you've got Haagen-Dazs, you got the fedoras. Check out the hats. I like those fedoras though. These are kind of cute. And they have sunglasses right here. So, Raiders. They got capriottis, which is excellent. They're Bobby, which is like a turkey, the day after turkey sandwich after Thanksgiving. And they make those every single day. So one of the main bars right here. Let's go over here, and they're well staffed here at New York, New York. Let's come over here and check this out. There's Hershey's the entrance to Hershey's Chocolate World. And then I'm going to take a slow pan across. Yeah, look how cool this is. Lots of fun games. There's Mad Apple. There's the cashiers and the MGM rewards. And then of course the big hotel. We're going to go down there in just a few minutes, but I wanted to give you kind of a look. See all the signage over there, just like in New York. And they have so many different types of restaurants that are similar to what you would find in New York itself. So there's going to be delis. There's Nine Fine Irishman pub. But yeah, let's go take a look. So we just came in here. Behind us was the entrance that goes to Excalibur. Here's the New York Pretzel Company. This is the one. This is in front of us. Right out here is the exit or entrance from MGM. So you can pick up some alcohol here and some things. There's Hershey's Chocolate World. You can actually get to it here on the second floor. But there's Hershey's Chocolate World. Yeah, pretty sweet, huh? You should smell what I'm smelling. It looks like it's made of Twizzlers. Can't tell. It looks like it's made of, it probably is, Twizzlers. There's some souvenirs that you can buy of the Chocolate World. sharing Hershey's is happiness. Much, much more downstairs. Well, we're going downstairs anyway, so it's kind of a weird orange room. I like all the cool wear. Reese's, a lot of big Hershey's branded products. So let's go ahead and just walk down. We just came into Hershey's Chocolate World. Back down into Hershey's Chocolate World. It even has chocolate piping. That's not piping, that's actual real chocolate through those big chocolate pipes. See all the Hershey's, look at this. Look at that big O Hershey's Kiss. Wow. Look at that world's largest Hershey bar. A big giant bag of Twizzlers. Look at that. I want that. Oh, they actually have, it's their Happy Bakery Hershey's Kitchen. And they have cookies. Looks like they have brownies and cookies. And look at those cookies. Oh, ridiculous. So check out it's good, right? Big chocolate. Now, I'm pretty sure this thing right here, this column, is the column that, one of the columns for the roller coaster. It's the only thing it could be. Never seen a column like that. Oh, that's pretty. This says Hershey's Chocolate Statue of Liberty. Chocolate Statue of Liberty is sculpted out of nearly 800 pounds of Hershey's milk chocolate, or 8,258 bars. That's incredible, right? Yeah, pretty incredible, pretty impressive at the same time. So, yeah, let's venture out into the New York. I love the large ceilings. Well, those old-fashioned casinos that have the 10-foot ceilings. Here's the chocolate bar. I think they have some kind of flight that you can get that takes that uses chocolate to make drinks. So I think that'd be kind of cool. Here's the Nine Fine Irishmen. Lots of games. Lots of games. I like the way it's laid out. You know, I just like the whole layout of the way it's themed. So I call it stadium gambling. So you can see these people, and then if you look up here, they're playing like they were playing at the machines themselves. So I think that's kind of a cool feature. Here's craps. See, the dice do actually roll, and they're not loaded. So, and that's how you play the craps, the sit-down craps game. The dice actually roll, which makes it more fair. Check out that. News building, all the news. That's cool, right? Pretty cool. Yeah, so look, it all looks like, has the appearance like you're in like the Bronx or something like that. You're just like an old-fashioned New York. Well, we'll just use one. The New York. There we go. Nectar Life. It's all about washing your hands, and they rake in the dough by creating cheap things that people pay a lot of money for. Here's Swatch. Simpsons has a collection. That's kind of cool. See the big Pepsi sign, Panasonic. Gives you that illusion. Gives you the illusion that you're in New York. There's the giant Starbucks. Starbucks forever. There's their betting. Their sports book is tiny, but they have one. Look, they actually have one. It is super tiny. Look at the scoreboards. You can sit down, but they actually have one. You can bet here. Yeah, you can actually bet here. You can also place bets over here on these machines. This is the entrance off of Las Vegas. It's more of a pedestrian entrance off of Las Vegas Boulevard. Tom's Watch Bar. So look back here. Raiders. Can't help but say that whenever I see that. Raiders. Right behind, there's Gonzalez y Gonzalez. Tom's Watch Bar, so you can watch games and stuff going on. But right behind here is their parking garage, which not only serves New York, but I believe it also serves the T-Mobile. And so the T-Mobile is right behind the New York. So if you're ever going to an event at the T-Mobile, then man, you're going to want to go to, look at this. You're going to want to either stay here or stay at what I call the old Monte Carlo. I forget what it's called now, but it's the old Monte Carlo. Check this place out. It's like this is Gonzalez y Gonzalez. That's Mexican food. Oh, I like that enchilada plate down there. That really looks, that one right there looks really good. Yeah, Mexican food. And doesn't it give you the impression that you're actually in New York? Here's a fish. They got cod, fillets, clams, hush puppies, jumbo shrimp. There's a QR code. There's a QR code. If you want to get some fish while you're here. Here's most of the deals. Fried clams. Ooh, fried clams. Wow, yeah. See, doesn't it look like New York in here? Broadway Burger Bar and Grill. The Mad Apple. It's where the box office is. You can get show tickets. Yeah, this exit over here. Let's go to that exit. But see another column. When you see these, you know for sure it's to hold up a roller coaster. You can't see it, but look at that. I mean, it just kind of, the roof kind of ends right there. Here's the box office. Mad Apple. Cirque du Soleil's Mad Apple. Mad Apple. And then back here is the exit that goes to the park. And the park is kind of like a cool place to hang out before a game at T-Mobile. So if you go to T-Mobile Arena, there's like places to buy drinks out there, the beer house, sandwich shop. There's a steakhouse over there. So yeah, that's where you go if you're going to go to. This is where you come in to New York, if you're coming in from the T-Mobile Arena. This is where I've come in many times. So yeah, the box office, show tickets. There's the Chrysler building, Mad Apple. It's kind of cool. Ooh, look at that Broadway Burger and Grill. Man, I'm gonna go try some of those clams. I don't know if it's gonna be any good, but I'm gonna try them. Here's the Broadway Burger Bar. Yeah, see what I mean? See, there's right up there is actually for the roller coaster, and these columns are what holds up the roller coaster. Boink, boink, boink. Learn something new. Right here is where you get espressos and things. So a really cool place for espresso. You get some delicious treats right there. Look at the donuts. Yummy donuts. Yeah, back there's Gonzalez y Gonzalez. That's where we were. Yeah, look, check it out. First coaster and arcade. We're not going to go up to the coaster. These Greenwich area and bike lane. So they got different restaurant items in there. There's the delicatessen. Greenberg and Sons Delicatessen. Greenberg's Deli. Greenberg's Deli.